Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and expert insights on the best gear in the market. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best electric guitar strings nickel-wound, the Ernie Ball Regular Slinky Nickel-Wound Electric Guitar Strings 3-Pack, model PO3221. Now, if you're an electric guitarist, whether you're a gigging pro, a bedroom shredder, or a tone-chasing studio artist, you've probably heard of Ernie Ball. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the packaging. These strings come in what Ernie Ball calls element shield packaging. That's not just marketing speak, it actually works. The packaging is designed to lock out moisture and preserve the freshness of the strings as if they were just wound yesterday. That means when you unwrap them, you're getting factory fresh strings with their tone and integrity completely intact. Each pack in this 3-pack bundle comes individually wrapped. So if you're not using all three right away, the other two remain untouched, fresh, and ready for your next string change. This is especially handy for traveling musicians or players who don't change strings that often. Let's talk specs. These are regular Slinky strings with a gauge range of 0.010 to 0.046. That means you get a comfortable balance between bending and rhythm chording. The light top makes it easy to bend for solos and expressive leads, while the heavier bottom ensures your power chords and riffs still punch with authority. Constructed from nickel-plated steel wire wrapped around a tin-plated high-carbon steel core, the tone is unmistakably bright, yet warm. You get clarity on the high end without sacrificing the fullness of your lows. The result is a balanced, crisp tone that works in just about every genre, from blues and rock to metal and pop. But it's not just about tone, it's also about feel. These strings are incredibly smooth under the fingers. Whether you're doing slides, vibrato, or fast alternate picking, the strings respond without that gritty or grabby sensation you sometimes get from cheaper brands. It's this kind of consistency that makes them a go-to for professional players. Speaking of pros, these strings are not just popular, they're iconic. Legends like Slash, Eric Clapton, Metallica, and Jimmy Page have all trusted Ernie Ball Slinkies for their tone and reliability. That's a resume very few products can claim. But it's not just about who uses them. It's about how they hold up in the real world. Whether you're rehearsing every night or performing under hot stage lights, these strings remain stable and stay in tune remarkably well. Tuning stability is something a lot of players overlook until they're mid-set or mid-recording and something goes wrong. But with regular Slinkies, tuning issues are rare, especially if your guitar is set up well. They stretch in quickly and then stay in tune, even under heavy playing pressure. Now let's talk price. For around $18, give or take depending on current offers, you're getting 3 full sets. That's incredible value, especially considering their performance and durability. Many players report getting weeks of solid use out of each set before tone degradation sets in. In terms of compatibility, these strings are ideal for most electric guitars, Stratocasters, Les Pauls, SGs, Telecasters, you name it. Whether you're using a tremolo system or a fixed bridge, they hold up impressively. To sum it up, Ernie Ball Regular Slinky Nickel-Wound Electric Guitar Strings 3-Pack offers professional tone, long-lasting durability, and legendary reliability in a package that's perfect for every type of electric guitarist. Whether you're recording, gigging, or practicing, these strings have your back. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what strings you swear by. Until next time, keep playing, keep experimenting, and stay in tune.